Honor Magic 7 Pro Detailed Review. Today, we are reviewing Honor Magic 7 Pro in detail. This phone, which attracts attention with its flagship features, stands out with its superior screen, advanced cameras and powerful fast charging technology. So, does it really offer the high-end experience it promises? I'll tell you based on my own usage experience. If you're ready, let's get started. A little reminder before we move on. Your support is a great motivation for me and I need you a lot on this journey. So it would be great if you subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's take a look at the Honor Magic 7 Pro design and display. Honor Magic 7 Pro immediately makes you feel the premium feel when you pick it up. The glass back and aluminium frame offer a solid and stylish look. It weighs 223 grams and is 8.8 millimeters thick, so it's a bit big phone, but the feel in the hand is quite good. The color options are black, white, blue and grey. On the front, we are greeted by a 6.8-inch OLED display. It offers a very sharp image with full HD+ resolution and 453 ppi pixel density. In addition, the 120Hz screen refresh rate provides a smooth usage experience. Thanks to Dolby Vision, HDR, HDR Vivid and DCI-P3 color space support, colors are vibrant and contrasts are quite good. With 5000 nits of maximum brightness, you can easily see the screen even in the sun. Another important detail is LTPO technology. Thanks to this technology, the screen dynamically changes between 1 Hz and 120 Hz, thus optimizing battery consumption. It also minimizes eye strain thanks to 4320 Hz PWM dimming. Screen durability is enhanced with nanocrystal shield, which means it is highly resistant to scratches. And perhaps the most striking point is that the front camera is embedded in the screen. In other words, there is no hole or notch, offering a full screen experience. I really need your support. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and like the video. Performance and hardware. This device is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Clocked at 4.32 GHz, it's one of the most powerful chips on the market right now. The Adreno 830 graphics processor offers great performance in both games and graphics-intensive applications. On the RAM side, 12 GB LPDDR5X memory is used. Storage options are 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB. Unfortunately, there is no microSD card support, but 512 GB or 1 TB storage option will be more than enough. Honor Magic 7 Pro, which comes with Android 15 operating system, has Magic OS 9.0 interface. This interface is very fluid and offers many customization options. Honor also gives this device a 5-year update warranty, so it's a phone that will stay up to date in the long run. I need your help. Please subscribe and like the video. Camera performance. Now let's move on to the most curious part, the camera. The main camera has a resolution of 50MP and an aperture of f/1.4. With features like optical image stabilization, OIS, and AI scene detection, day and night photography is really good. The second camera is also 50MP and ultra-wide angle. It offers a 122 degrees wide angle and can also be used for macro shots. The third camera is a periscope telephoto lens with a full 200MP resolution. With 3x optical zoom, 100x digital zoom and OIS support, it offers excellent zoom performance. You can shoot distant objects at night without losing detail. It can record 4K 60fps video and thanks to HDR 10-bit log support, it is possible to shoot professional level videos. In slow motion mode, it can record 1080p 240fps. The front camera has a resolution of 50MP and supports 4K 60fps video recording. Selfie performance is also very strong with features such as autofocus, portrait mode and digital image stabilization. Your support is very important. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Battery and charging performance. Honor Magic 7 Pro has a battery capacity of 5850 mAh. So it has a pretty big battery and can easily last a day even with intensive use. On the charging side, it has 100 watts fast charging support and can charge 100% in just 30 minutes. Moreover, it also supports 80 watts wireless fast charging. Thanks to the wireless reverse charging feature, you can also charge other devices, connectivity and other features. The device features the latest connectivity technologies such as Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4 and NFC. It also offers high-speed internet connectivity thanks to 5G support. On the audio side, it has stereo speakers and the sound quality is quite good thanks to DTS:X Ultra support. There is no 3.5mm headphone jack, but high-resolution audio support is available via Type-C. Security features include an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint reader and 3D facial recognition. IPX9 water resistance and IP6X dust resistance certification means that it is resistant to rain or splashes. The box comes with a 100 watts fast charging adapter, Type-C cable, SIM pin and a case. So the box contents are quite rich. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video, I need it so much. Honor Magic 7 Pro price. Let's also examine the price of the Honor Magic 7 Pro. Currently, the current price of this flagship phone is around $800. With the features it offers in this price range, it's a very competitive option. So, do you think it is worth this price? Don't forget to share your opinion in the comments. Water resistance feature. IPX9 water resistance certification is mentioned in the text, but there is no explanation of how this feature works and under what conditions it is advantageous. A short description you can add may make this feature clearer. I would appreciate a lot of support. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Software and updates. On the software side, the Honor Magic 7 Pro is said to come with Android 15 and Magic OS 9.0, but there's no further information about how long the device will receive software updates and customization options in the interface. This could be an important detail. Gaming performance and thermal management. The device is said to offer high performance in games thanks to its powerful processor, but a comment could be added about gaming performance, thermal management and the device's heating during long gaming sessions. I will get stronger with your support. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Software features and personalization. Magic OS 9.0 offers customization options and special software features. For example, features such as making the screen smaller can improve the user experience. Extra display technologies. About display technology, the LTPO feature is mentioned, but a brief explanation of the advantages of this technology and how the dynamic refresh rate works could be added. Audio and multimedia experience. On the audio side, stereo speakers and DTS:X Ultra support are mentioned, but there is no 3.5mm headphone jack and high-resolution audio support via Type-C could be added. Your help is very valuable. I ask you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Conclusion and general evaluation. So should you buy the Honor Magic 7 Pro? If you are looking for high-end performance, powerful cameras, a large battery and fast charging, it is definitely a great option. Especially with its full screen experience, powerful hardware and premium design, it is a very ambitious model among flagship phones. If you like this kind of in-depth reviews and following the latest developments in the world of technology, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. This way you can be instantly informed about my new videos and support me on this journey. I'm also looking forward to your comments, your feedback is invaluable. See you in the next video, bye for now.